Question 5. A small stone is thrown into a calm pond and produces a circular ripple. Okay, so when you throw the stone, this pond produces a ripple. The radius of ripple is increasing at a rate of 3 cm per second. So in the first second, it is 3 cm. The next second, it increases by 3, so 6. And then the third second, it increases by another 3, so it's 9, and so on. Find an expression of radius in terms of time. So we know if t is 1, our radius is 1 times 3. If our time is 2 seconds, the radius will become 2 times 3. And if our radius, after 3 seconds, the radius is 3 times 3. So radius you want to find in terms of t, it is t times 3. So if you write it as a function, r will equal to 3t. Okay, the radius multiplies by 3 based on the number of seconds lah. So after 3 seconds times 3, after 4 seconds 4 times 3, and so on. So if you want to write this as a function, we can write rt equals to 3t. This is our answer for A. Okay, then B. If A is the area of ripple, explain the meaning of composite function ART. Okay, so this is A of RT. So normally our function will have area in terms of R. So A, R, and so on. But this function, okay, let's say we take a formula for area of circle. So area of circle is pi r squared. So if you can see, this function area is in terms of radius. So if we know the radius, we can find the area. So this is normally, if you write it in function form, it's A in terms of R, AR. But if you want to find area in terms of time, that means like after 3 seconds, what will the area be? So we need A in terms of t. We cannot have r here, we must have t instead. So that is why we sub the radius function into the r here. So if you sub the r with ART, we are going to get area in terms of time, or area, you can say area as a function of time. Okay, if you want to write in detail, you can say area of the ripple as a function of time in seconds, because t is in seconds, right? Okay, so we can add on a bit. Okay. Okay. Then C. Oh, let's to find C, we need this. Right, I just delete this lah. Okay, let's do C down here. So C, find the area of ripple after 30 seconds. So now we need the function of ART. So we know what is AR, it's pi r square. AX means it will be pi x square. So ART would be pi RT square. So now what we have to do is we sub the RT, we know RT is 3t, we sub this into here. So pi times 3t squared. So we get pi times 9t squared. So we can write this as 9 pi t squared. this will be the area in terms of t. Okay, so if you have, let's say you want to find 10 seconds, you put 10 inside here, we will get the answer. Okay, so here they're asking what happens after 30 seconds, right? So we want to find AR30, therefore it's 9 pi 30 square. So you can type this in the calculator, 9 times 30 square, so it's 8100 pi. This will be the area of the circle after 30 seconds. So if 1 second is 3, 2 seconds is 6, 3 seconds is 9, so after 30 seconds the radius would have been very big lah, big ripple already. So the area also should be big. That's all.